Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami dress. This is a relatively simple origami and it has a very beautiful result. The only material you'll need is a square piece of paper that can be any size and any color you want. First of all, we need to fold the paper in half. Unfold it. Then fold both sides to the middle. Unfold again. Next, fold both sides again, now to the last creases we made. Fold both sides again along the previous creases. Now turn the paper over. Fold both sides to the middle. Then turn to the other side again. Now we are going to fold a part of the paper up. And then fold it back down, leaving a small gap, a small difference. And flip the paper over. Keeping it in this position, open the paper here on the left layer and bring it to the side, flattening it like this. Then repeat the same logic on the right side. Now, at the top part, we are going to fold these two corners here. To do this, just bring the top edge to the side. Then do the same with the other corner. Unfold both of them. After that, open the paper and push this corner, leaving it reversed, like this. And then do the same on the other side. After finishing this step, fold these two corners down For the next step, we need to create this diagonal fold on both sides. So just bring the diagonal edge to the middle, to the horizontal crease, like this. Then do the same on the other side. Unfold. And now, carefully, open the paper from the side. Like this. Then flatten it along the creases we just made. Just adjust the details a little. Now we can repeat the same thing on the other side. Turn the paper over. And fold the top part down. You just need to bring the paper down at the same height as the previous folds. It will automatically fold at the correct position. Then, carefully again, open the right side, here on the first layer, and then flatten the paper up, forming a triangle. Do the same with the left side. Here in the center of the paper, we're going to fold these two corners. Here it will be a little harder to fold because there are several layers, but just fold the paper up, trying to keep it as straight as possible, and mark the crease just a little. Then do the same on the other side. Next, unfold them, and a little attention now. We'll need to fold both sides, connecting these points here. To do that, we are going to bring the paper to the side, making the bottom part that we folded earlier open up. Then flatten the paper, trying to keep as aligned as possible. And you'll get this result. Repeat the same with the other side. And as the final step, we are going to fold these two corners here. First the right side, and then the left side. We just need to turn the paper over, and the origami dress is ready. I hope you liked this video and were able to make it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.